Is this the next big mini trimmer or detailer on the market in the barber industry? We'll find out right now on the Barber Movement.
When I come and kill 'em on the mic and tar, this star's what you need inside the centre. I put in the work, that's what I bet ya. Only way that you win is if I let ya. Pick up the mic to feel this impact. Test my flow, better step back. When I'm on the rhythm and I vibe on the track, I'm the bad man and that's just a fact.
Okay guys, what's going on? How you doing? If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is Jay Adams, aka the Bad Man brand, and I am here today to give you my personal review on the absolute hitter by Gamma Italia. I truly believe that this is going to be a big clipper, definitely by design. I mean, I'll just show you here now. This is my one. I have the rose gold, but it does come in other colors. There's a gold and actually a silver interchangeable cover. But if you see from the box, you can remove this section just below the clipper blade, which is very similar to some of the modifications that you can do with I see a lot of American and UK barbers doing with their Andes T outliner. There's a general modification where you can cut across here to allow better movement on the clipper, and also it allows the blades to become more cooler, allowing air passing through the motorized system. My personal review, my rating out of 10, I would say I would give this a 9 stars out of 10. It's really sharp around the edges. It would have got a 10 from me, but I find it a little bit hard to remove bulk hair with this. I'm not really using this in the barber shop as something to remove hair before I go in with my foil shavers. It's something that I really like to use for boxing up front of the hairlines. Lining up beards is really good. Using it on kids is also, it's very sharp trimmer, but it's not sharp for sensitive skin. It doesn't leave any red marks like, I don't know, back in the day when you had the wall detailer. And I would say that even, you know, someone who's been in the game a long time, it is very comfortable to handle. It's got a very easy system. It's a little bit loud, as you can hear, but you know, it's not bad. It's not terribly loud. It's not uncomfortably loud, let's say. I quite like the box and how it's displayed. Comes very smart. It's got magnetic strip along the bottom here. Very nice box, well presented. I actually prefer these. They look really nice if you want to sell these on to your clients as well, to line up their beards at home. The price tag comes in around £99. I don't know what that is in US. I purchased these myself from Barber Blades. They do deliver out here in Prague also, so we use all of their supplies for our business out here. What comes with it? So to start off, you get these interchangeable covers, which I spoke about earlier. I personally keep mine on just because I don't like hair getting down inside of the motor, and it makes no difference. It's more of a design aspect to have this part coming off. On the box, I don't know if you can see, you got, like, people do change them up. You got the rose gold with the gold package there with the gold lid. You got the rose gold with the silver, rose gold with the rose gold, such as mine. But they also come with however you want, gold and silver. Personal preference, I think that's pretty cool. That's like a nice thing now. I mean, the barber industry is going away from quality, and now you can't just have a quality trimmer. People, these are trying to target a design aspect also. You do get like a USB charger, so that is universal. So whether you're in the States, in the UK or Europe, you should just be able to plug that into a standard charge, get that straight into the wall and finish off your charging that way. But the thing I do like is it comes with this cradle, this mount, which is pretty cool. It's got a light detection on there as well. Obviously we've not plugged it in right now. And one thing I do like, it kind of locks in, it sits in nice and tight. And so I'm giving that a shake now, and that's pretty good. I do like that. It's not going to come off. And obviously at the back you have your charging port, which is connected to a mains charger, and it's very cool. You just put that on your side. I've got that on the front of my desk, and when I'm finished with it, all I do is just put it straight back in, and I know it's safe and sound. It's not going to drop on the floor. One of the other things that I do like, one of the other aspects of this trimmer, is it's got a graphite blade at the back, which helps a lot if you're lining out a beard and lining out a hair. If you're using it a lot during a haircut, it doesn't get too hot. It doesn't heat up like some of the other metal trimmers. I rate this pretty high. The only downfall I can say about this clipper is removing bulk is not one of its strong points. It does get a little bit snaggy, but I have other trimmers that I use to remove bulk in when I need it. This is very, very good. This is my go-to trimmer now for lining out any hair, shaping up and lining out beards. And also if you're just gonna clean up the neck, it's very soft. It doesn't pinch underneath, you know, the sensitive areas when you're underneath by the Adam's apple, or when you're going around the base of the neck. It's pretty clean. So, what do I recommend? I recommend if you are a new barber or you are a barber that is looking for something different, go ahead and buy this Gamma. Absolute hitter. I rate this highly. Go out and get it. That's my review. You've been with the Barb Man. You've been live right here on the Barber Movement. I'll see you later. I'll see you on the next one.